the Democratic presidential candidates vocal about this tragedy, expressing their condolences, but also calling for action.
ABC's Lindsay Davis is in San Francisco, where several of the candidates have gathered for the California Democratic Party state convention. Lindsay, good morning.
Good morning to you, Tom and Eva. This weekend actually marks the largest gathering of presidential contenders so far, and there's a lot on the docket, from immigration to impeachment, and certainly with another mass shooting taking place in this country less than 24 hours ago, gun control is certainly front and center. Reaction to the deadly Virginia Beach shooting swift overnight from the Democratic candidates running for president. The campaigns tweeting out reaction, nearly all of them expressing their condolences as well as calling for movement on gun control.
Another mass shooting today. And it's not just the mass shootings. Gun violence touches families every day.
14 of the 23 presidential candidates are gathering here in San Francisco for the California Democratic Party's annual convention this weekend, aiming to highlight their different campaign positions. Senator Bernie Sanders hosting a rally.
The principles of our government will be economic justice, racial justice, social justice.
And just hours after those shocking photos surfaced of dangerous overcrowding and unsanitary standing room only conditions at a Texas border facility, several candidates spoke out at a forum on immigration.
I have proposed a plan. Number one, it stops in its tracks the heinous activities of Donald Trump to bring division and hatred at our southern border.
For now, their stances on the hot-button border issue are strikingly similar.
They're human beings that deserve respect.
Even nursing mothers were separated from their babies? That is not about border security. That is a human rights abuse being committed by the United States government.
Now, California may be more important than ever before. Certainly there are a lot of delegates up for grabs, but they've also moved their primary schedule up from June to March on Super Tuesday. So essentially you have the Golden State saying, look, we want a piece of the action when it comes to helping to determine the presidential nominee. Tom and Eva.
All right, Lindsay for us there this morning.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.